Perpendicular lines, these are lines that intersect at right angles. This is the symbol we often use. So this is just a little right angles square here to show that these are a 90-degree corner. So example 2, determine the slopes of each of the perpendicular lines. How do the slopes relate? So if we look here, it says they're perpendicular. You can see a little right angle triangle in there. So we're going to determine the slope of each line. So to find the slope, we're going to use rise over run again. Since we have a picture, we can just do our counting. So we'll find the slope of AB first. AB is this line segment. I can pick any points, but we kind of have a point at A and a point at B, so I'll use that. I will draw in my slope triangle to help me count the rise and the run. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is my rise. It's going up as we go left to right, so it's a positive slope. My run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 8 over 6, which simplifies to 4 over 3. Let's compare the perpendicular line CD slope. So again, I'll use the point C since it's clearly through the grid, and D, and they gave me those points. I'm going to draw my slope triangle from C to D here. Oops, I missed that. We'll go to D here. So I'm going to use this line rather. And this, let me count the rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got -9 because this is going downwards. It's a negative slope as you go left to right. And then my run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we get -9 over 12, which reduces to -3 over 4. So they're not the same slope, which can't be surprising. It does make sense that one's positive, one's negative. If they're perpendicular lines, you're going to be going in opposite directions. So they're always going to have one positive, the other one's going to be negative. And if you take a look, they're reciprocals of each other. So slopes of two perpendicular lines are always going to be negative reciprocals of each other. So for example, if I had a different question and I had a slope of 1 over 3, then the perpendicular slope would be the reciprocal, so 3 over 1, and it would be negative, which of course simplifies to just -3.